This is the 1825th day of human reconstruction of Mars. Today, we're going to explore the greater unknown world. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dad, I want a bigger one.
Well, okay. No problem. Let's do it.
Wow, it moves fast.
This is Creality's latest product, Ender-7. In addition to core XY structure, Ender-7 utilizes linear rail to achieve even higher printing speed. It's able to produce high-quality model with precision and accuracy, even during high-speed printing.
Perfect.
Ender-7 is also equipped with full metal dual gear extruder and a customized high volume nozzle that will provide superior flow and printing experience. A unique dual fan design for high output airflow that allows rapid cooling of printed model during high-speed printing.
I tell you, it's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
We even upgraded the motor. The new high-power motor will provide ample of power and torque during high-speed printing. Ender-7, beyond fast.